You guys, I don't even know how to start off this video. I feel like you guys may not even recognize me because it has been that long, and yes, I've cut my hair, but we're gonna try to get back into things together. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leizel, and for today's video we are making a comeback. I feel like it's been the longest time since I've sat down in front of the camera like this and filmed for you guys. I'm pretty sure the last time I sat down and filmed like a full-on face tutorial, makeup tutorial, was last year. And as you guys may know, we are currently in March, so it's been quite some time. On top of that, I actually have not worn a full face of makeup since January, I'm gonna say. Like, it's been quite some time. Ever since I got back from my trip in Bali, I have not really worn makeup just because I got super tanned and none of my makeup matched me and my skin cleared up, so I just didn't see the point of wearing makeup. So what I'm going to do today is try and do a full face of makeup. I feel like when you don't wear makeup for some time and then you try to get back into it, you kind of have to relearn the techniques again, kind of like riding a bicycle, and that's how I feel, and that's kind of why I put off putting on makeup. Plus it's really weird, like I've become so comfortable with not wearing makeup, I don't even know who I am anymore. And I'm probably gonna just chat to you guys, give you guys some little updates on what's going on with myself. But to start things off, I don't actually have a primer that I want to use at the moment, so I'm just gonna spritz my face with some of the facial spray. Then we're gonna let that settle into the skin. If anything, facial spray is all that I put on my face every day, aside from brows and lashes, as you can see. As someone who claims to be a makeup enthusiast online, that is very absurd. But ever since I got back from my trip, I just haven't felt the need to wear any makeup, and the only makeup that I bought to kind of match my skin is this concealer. This is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I actually love this stuff, and I usually use it in the shade Custard, but I had to go down a shade just because obviously my skin got a little darker. So this is Medium 1.5 Macadamia. So my skin lately has been pretty well behaved. There's just like little blemishes here and there that I'm not too phased about, and it's crazy. Like, I've always been into makeup, you guys know this about me. I genuinely just enjoyed the process of like putting on makeup and seeing my face transform every morning. But I just have not bothered with it, and I don't know if it's because I've become more confident without it, which is like great. I still do love makeup, but I just haven't had a chance to sit down and like play with makeup, which is something I really want to get back into. I don't know why I have a pimple here. It's such a random spot to get a breakout. This concealer is amazing, you guys. If you're looking for like a full coverage concealer that isn't too heavy, but like a little bit goes a long way because you really only need the tiniest amount, this is one to check out. Got this guy up here. Boom. So a little update on me, because I have been just a bit MIA lately, that I haven't even had a chance to sit down in front of the camera. But today I was like, you know what, you need to film something, so here I am. I don't know if that's too light for me. I'm using the same powder that I always use, the one by Bare Minerals, but I feel like it might be a little bit too light. That's cool. We're gonna bronze up the skin. I'm not gonna do anything too extravagant today. I just want to get back into like doing a face of makeup. And I'm not trying to be like, oh my god, I don't wear any makeup anymore. But seriously, like, I just haven't felt the need to, which is so not like me at all. So I kind of just want to like ease myself back into even putting makeup on. Do I want to wear concealer? It's the craziest thing, you guys, is that I don't wear concealer. Like, I have not been wearing concealer, and right now I'm even hesitant to put some on. but we're gonna try it. I remember I always used to wear the Becca under eye brightening corrector, and then I'd go ham with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Do I want to put that on? We're gonna see how it looks. Swear to God, 2019 has been a year of change so far, let me tell you guys. Also, by the way, if you guys are wondering, like, yeah, I already have my brows filled in, but lashes. I actually started getting lash extensions. I'd have to say that's like the prime factor as to why I don't feel the need to wear makeup, because it feels so good to wake up in the mornings and be like ready to go. So yeah, I have to say that lash extensions have definitely contributed to me not wearing as much makeup, just because I don't really feel the need for it. Like, I feel put together with lashes. Oh, that looks crazy. Whoa, I feel like I look so different. Another elephant in the room, which I'm sure you guys definitely would have noticed, is that I did in fact cut all my hair off. Not all of it, but like I cut a decent amount of hair. So I measured it and it ended up being 16 inches of hair that I cut off, because my hair was pretty much down to my butt, like the top of my butt. And yeah, I just cut it all off. I don't know, I've been planning to go in for a trim for a really long time, and I kept saying like, I need to go and get a trim, I need to go and get a trim. And then the day before I was kind of like, well, I've always wanted to cut my hair short, but I just didn't do it because I didn't want that feeling of regret afterwards. You guys know how it is when you cut your hair and then you think like, why the hell did I do that? And to be honest, I was very like not controlling of it. I was really nonchalant. I went in and I was like, yeah, I kind of just want to cut my hair short. Like, my hair's dry. My hair's been falling out a lot. Like, no joke, I would run my fingers through my hair and there'd be a chunk of hair in my hands. And who is texting me? So yeah, my hair was pretty much falling out. It was dry as fuck. Like, it just did not even look cute. I loved having long hair, don't get me wrong. Whoa, I haven't contoured my nose in so long and that looks crazy to me. So yeah, as I was saying, my hair was falling out a lot, to the point where I was kind of concerned. Like, I was like, this is not normal. Like, my hair should not be falling out this much. And it was super dry. Like, it wasn't manageable, and I couldn't really be bothered to take care of it like that. Like, I had no motivation to look after it. It was just long. I was over it. Like, I needed a change. So I went into the salon and I was kind of just like, yeah, I want to cut my hair short. And she was like, are you sure? Because my hair was very long. But she did agree that it was quite dry. And I was like, yeah, let's go for it. Let's just cut it. So I showed her a couple of pictures, and this is what she gave me. I don't know how to describe it. Like, she cut it short and then she cut some layers. I saw her doing a lot of like point cutting as well, and she did like some things to make it, you can't really tell because it's like super curly right now, but like she did layers around my face to frame my face better. And to be honest, when I walked out of the salon, I was like, holy crap, like, I love it. Like, I feel like I forgot how much short hair would suit me. It's been years since I've had short hair. I think the last time I had short hair I was like 20, and now I'm 28. So yeah, I'm really happy that I decided to cut it, and I just feel like it suits me a lot more right now for the mood that I'm in at the moment. Whoa, I haven't seen so much color on my face for so long. It's crazy. What I need to do next? My eyes. You know what's even crazier is that you guys know I love highlighter, but I haven't worn highlighter for months. Months, I tell you. I feel like I need to put something underneath my eyes. Get a shadow. Also, I need to film a 2-year braces update for you guys. Can you believe that I've had my braces on for 2 years? I honestly was not expecting to have my braces on for that long. Yeah, I had my official 2-year anniversary at the end of February, and yeah, I will tell you guys all about it in an update, but whatever's happening with them is beyond my control. All I can continue to do is to just wear them, obviously. So it is what it is in terms of my braces. I know that a fair few of you guys subscribe to my channel because of the fact that I have braces, and some of you even got your braces on around the same time that I did, and you've already got them off, which I'm so jealous about, or like you still have them on as well. But yeah, I definitely need to do a braces update because there's been some things happening which were unexpected, and that is why I still have them on. Anyways, something that I wanted to quickly touch on, because you guys would have seen my Bali vlogs from when I went at the beginning of the year. Obviously, I'm doing great by myself, and obviously Leizel has a special someone. I'm not going to go into too much detail just because I'd rather keep that to myself, at least for now. But just know that I'm so happy. Like, this person makes me so happy, and I could say so many other great, amazing things about him, but he knows. And that's all that matters. So yeah, I'm like in a really good place in terms of like that. And yeah, I'm just really happy. That's all I'm gonna say. I think this is about as far as I'm gonna go with this face makeup. So lipstick. Oh, I have not worn lipstick. This little thing right here, my all-time favorite lip liner that is running out, that is no longer being produced because they discontinued it. This is the Cappuccino lip liner by Rimmel London. Best colour if you have this, like a similar skin tone to me. Cute. Do I want to wear peach stock? MAC peach stock. Okay. Oh, in terms of like my YouTube channel, yeah, I kind of like, I can admit I kind of took a break for this beginning half, not even half, like this beginning month or two of the year. I really want to get back into filming beauty videos because that it has always been my #1 passion. That's what like started off this entire channel. I know you guys like the vlogs and all that kind of thing, but I really want to get back into my passion of being creative and making looks and teaching you guys things and doing tutorials and reviews and that kind of thing. Let me just spritz my face. As I was saying, yeah, I really want to get back into filming, like go back to what the basic core of my channel was, which is of course beauty and makeup related content. However, I want to know if you guys are still down for that and if you're still interested in that, because that's something that I want to do, but if you guys don't want to see that from me, then there's a bit of a clash there, you know? If you guys have any other requests for like what kind of videos you want to see, feel free to let me know. You know, I'm always open to suggestions, but I really do want to get back into creating makeup beauty related content. In other news though, since I have this short hair, I probably will be doing like a how I style it and like different hairstyles you could do for short hair, because I know how frustrating it can be to cut your hair short and then be like, what the heck do I do with it now? So I do have some ideas in mind for that. But yeah, aside from that, I would love for you guys to let me know what you want to see. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I feel like, sorry, I'm looking in the mirror, I feel like I look different because it's been so long since I've seen myself look like this, but to you guys it looks the same. When I say that I haven't worn makeup for so long, I'm talking like a few months. Like it's been a couple months since I've worn makeup, so this is, it feels weird to me, but I'm excited to get back into it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't even know what to call it, just me putting makeup on for the first time in ages and giving you guys a little bit of a life update. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so excited to get back into things and to just deliver what I say I want to deliver. So with that being said, I hope you guys are having a fabulous week. I will talk to you all in the comments below, and I shall see you in my next video. You're gonna be having so much fun, especially if I'm the one you're choosing.